Okay, let's go through some things we have to finish here before the week ends, and we don't have a lot of time left, right? Happy Friday, everybody, midday. So coffee shop upgrade, you know about that ticket. We got to get a hold of that client, ask them to come into Zoom because that is such old hardware that it needs an operating system update. Shane, it means that Jeremy's going to have to try to push it a new operating system on Monday, Tuesday. So I need you to get a hold of Jeremy and ask him to please see if he can remotely update that sign. And I need you to let the client know what we're trying to do. Okay?
Yeah.
Next one, the emergency alert system testing. Rolly, we've already tested it multiple times today, right? So you don't have to pan over for this one today, but it's been just awesome, right?
Yeah.
Okay. New hardware partner integration. We know you both know who that is, and he's been working with Jeremy. We need to follow up again today to see how it's going with that hardware integration. Okay.
Got it.
Your LED sign client in California. Shane, they replied back and they want to meet, I think it was Monday, Tuesday. Can you just please confirm the time and date with them? Make sure that that's booked in for early next week for that California outdoor LED client install. Okay. Church broadcast. That was cool. Agreed, everybody?
Yeah.
That was super cool. For anybody watching this video, just before we started this video, we were the control system live for a church broadcast. And we got to watch the whole thing live today with the audiovisual team that's using our system for real-time controlling the messaging while the whole event is underway. We couldn't have a better testimonial of the technology than being used in a live event, and we get to watch the broadcast live. That was cool. Now, what also came out of that is that you heard during that presentation that one of our contacts has some banquet halls they want to install the technology into. They want to start with a quote for 2 banquet halls, but they're part of a collective of something like 20 banquet halls. So you learned a lot today, right, Rolly? Right, Shane?
Yeah.
About LED panels and some of the expertise that a couple of our advisors have on how to properly do very, very high-end professional LED installations, because they are really the secret sauce people that are running the back end of things like LED installs in Las Vegas. That was pretty cool. Agreed, Shane? Rolly?
Yeah.
That was super cool. So that's a recap of today, and let's get to work with that coffee shop first because we can get them back on the rails right now for their upgrade. Okay, thank you.